Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Chevy Silverado key fob battery. It's a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick. Let's get started and restore full functionality to your key fob in just a few moments. Now that you have your tools, let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot along the edge of the fob casing. This is usually where the two halves meet. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves should begin to separate. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing during this step. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. It's typically a CR2032 coin cell. Before you remove it, pay close attention to which side is facing up. Usually, the positive side is visible. Use your small screwdriver to gently lift out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully place it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. Once the new battery is in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Gently press them together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Ensure there are no gaps. Finally, test all the buttons on your key fob, such as lock, unlock, and remote start, to confirm everything is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.